a visit to a farm. I went to visit my uncle's farm last Sunday. Last Sunday 上个星期天，说明我们故事发生在过去。我们要通过这篇文章学习一般过去时的表现形式。It's in the countryside, far away from the city. There were many animals on the farm, such as cows, sheep, and ducks. I milked the cows. That was fun. There were many fruit trees on the farm, too. There were 是there be 句型的过去式形式，表示当时在某个地方存在着某种现象。We picked a lot of apples and tasted them. 这里边我们看到了 picked、milked 实义动词的过去式，表示动作发生在过去。There is a river near the farm. We caught a lot of fish in the river. My aunt cooked the fish for me. Cook something for 为某人做好吃的。They were delicious. I had a lot of fun on the farm, and I appreciated the beautiful scenes in the countryside.